Morning everyone. Today's video is about this tavern activities. The activities which appear in Evan Tavern. How to do that easily. Now, as you can see, I have not done these three activities. Still, I reached this one, this box. So today we are going to discuss that how we can do these tasks within 10 to 15 minutes easily, with no need to kill troop killing or monster kill or relic exploration, because these three things take more time. Now there's a counter going on, so we will come back to here. First let me show you what we have in this thing. See, I have timed everything. Like, I know I need research. Even the marches which I started earlier, I made them in a way that today they will come back. So you need to make the timing. You need to do it before. Now see here, the timer has started. Today's troop training day. Okay, that's one part. Now I go to the city. Here this is the tavern. Now all these activities are coming. So we will start with the easiest one. First one, this offering. Here it shows you what we need to do. We need to offer features in shrine for 3 times. So we are going to go, click here, come here, use 3 gems. This will cost you 175 gems. Offer. It is done. These are the rewards which I am normally talking about. You can see they are saying that this will be my next reward. Every day I will get this one. You can see here there is 2500 gems 1 and 2000 gems here. So this is equal to one 3-day truce agreement. Plus the game is giving me a 24-hour truce agreement on the day 6. Now this is done. We go back to the tavern. Let's see what other activity has to be done. Is this wheel of fortune. You see here, this one. We need to use the wheel of fortune 1 time. So game gives you 100 chips every day. We will just spin it once and done. Another activity is completed. Now we go back. Then there is gold levy. Now this gold levy is from the castle. This one. Now I am at a higher level, so I am getting here 5. Normally you will get 4. So first you will use free levy all. If you get 4, for the 5th one use the gems levy. It will cost you 20 gems. I don't need it now, so I will not do it. This one is also done. Now what's the next one? Healing troops. Okay, we need to train 150 we need to heal 150 troops. What I did yesterday, that when my troops were healing, I spared 180 troops for the next day. So here you can see it will take me only 40 minutes to complete this. So I will use this. They will keep on healing. I will request for help to make it faster. Again we go to the same tavern. Now there is trap building. This one, we need to make 150 traps. Now what happens sometimes, that your capacity is full, meaning now I have 45,000. I can make 45,000 traps, I have 35, so I have the capacity. But what will happen if I have 45 full? What I will do, I will click here. I will start dismissing. I'm assuming that my capacity is full and I cannot produce any more traps. So I will dismiss this one. Those traps are gone. Now I'm gonna do those again. I'm short on this food. So now I will train this, and once this is done, this activity will be completed also. What's the next one? This is resource tax. When I go here, you can see I have 4 free taxes. I will use 4 on food because we need normally. After that, they are costing me 2 gems. Now either I pay these 2 gems or I have used another option. I will go to my items here, then I will go to special. This is the bag. This gives free tax options. So I will take 3 for example and use that. Now see what happens. Here now I again have 3. So I will use these 3 again for food, for example. Now I have done 7, I need 3 more. So I will keep on using this one for each. Why I'm not doing more than one? Because if I do more than one, then the cost will increase. Now the next one is 4. I don't want to do that. So this part is also done. Now the other activity. Troop healing is going on, trap is going on, alliance help. I need to help 5 guys. Okay. Currently I have requests for 2. So I will help those 2 and hope the other comes soon. Then what is after that? Patrol. This is the simplest one. I will come here. I have some reward. Okay. Good. This is the patrol. I will patrol 3 times. It is free. You can use this 10,000 refresh to change the item, but I don't want to do that. So I will just use the third one also. So this task is also done. Now you can see my troops just returned. So I'm assuming that some part of my resource gathering, you can see it is done. How much I collected? This 54,000. More will come soon. I need to collect total 500,000 from outside the city. We will get that to back later. Now what do I have? I have black market. Okay, I will go to black market. It is here. I need to purchase 3 items. I will take the smallest value ones. Okay, then this is the one. Okay, then I will go for a chance. Maybe I will get a better deal. Nothing here. Nothing here also. Now this is the last refresh. So instead of doing that, I will go for this option. Now I'm done with 3 purchase of a black market. Again I will refresh just to check. Okay, so there is nothing here which I can take. So I will come out and go here, activity. You see I am reaching this one. Now material composing, I will go to this one. Choose any item, like I have this one, 145 basic ones. Compose. I will compose once, twice, and for the sake of this argument I will do this one. So I have done 3 composing. This part is also complete. Now what else? Donations. I will go here. I need to donate 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is also done. Now what else? Journal enhancing. Okay, so my generals are here. I will click here, cultivate. It costs 6,000 gold coins. Confirm. This one done. This one. Confirm. This one. Confirm. This one. Confirm. And this one. This is my last one. So I have cultivated 5, and as you just saw, a message came. You see these troops, they are here already. So once I click this, I started the cycle yesterday, but I timed it in a way that it comes here. So this one is troop training. If I click here, instantly this is also done. You can see troop training is 100%. Okay, now journal enhancing, I think I missed one, so I need to go and do again. I will not do this one because this is giving me low decrease even instead of increasing. So I'm gonna go back to my general, this one. Okay, for example, I will take this and do this. So this part is also done. What else? Resource gathering, it's going on. Construction, it is also going on. You see this one, resource gathering. Since last night I have not done this. So when I go here, instead of selecting one by one, I will just go here and click on my warehouse. So I collected all of these resources. Now you see my food is going down. This is because my troops are using this food. If I click here, you can see that I can food protect from troop is 700k. So what I need to do, I need to reduce it to for 700. I will not do it for now, leave it for the time being. Come here. So my tasks are getting done very fast. Construction is going on. Okay, research, it is also going on. No, nothing. I will go for construction. This is the construction going on. It is 44 minutes remaining, but just to finish this video I will make it fast. So this part is also done. What is remaining? Troops are being healed. So let's go. Research is going on. Trap building is going on. Now I will go for monster kill. I have one march free. I will just take care of this monster. So by the time he is doing that, I will go back to my other things. Now I told you my troops are using my food. I have an option. I will go here. But I cannot do it right now. Okay. My all marches are out. I need to store some food here because they are consuming anyway. I have 792. So what I will do here, I will tell it $110,000 from here. Store. This will go to my warehouse and it's gonna be saved from my troops. Now it is not reducing. As you can see, I have some 3.5 million food here and 362,000 bricks, wood. Other things I have not stored yet. Okay, now getting back to the city. Those troops are done. These are new troops. The research is about to be completed. It's only 2 minutes. Let it finish. My traps. I'm gonna speed it up. Normally I don't need to, but to make the video short, let me finish them. So my traps are also now done. So I'm at the fourth chest. I just need to finish these few more. This resource gathering will be done in a minute because a big badge is coming up. Research is going to take 1 minute more. Alliance help. No request yet. Okay. So you see I have done most of my things very fast. All of these tasks are done. And I did not have to use these. So I'm gonna pause the video and kill some monsters. Okay guys, while the video paused, I received this resource gathering also, a big monster. I need just one more, so let me finish this one's monster. This one. I will change the general to the fastest one and send them. Now back to the game, back to the city. Now you can see all the tasks are done except the last one of monster and alliance donation. Once I reach this, I will be able to complete all my things, because this is more than enough for to getting this target. You see, I have to do 6 more only. I will get 3 more from here and 1 more point from here, so it will finish the task. This is how you can do. See, monster kill is done. Now only I need someone to help with the alliance help. That of course I cannot control, so I need to wait for them. This is how you can complete all your tasks within the time frame of hardly 10-15 minutes. Now till you guys send me more requests for help, I will go for another option. I will take my daily rewards. I am gonna get these gears today. Okay, I got this one. Then you see there's a chest here. I will click this, and then here, and it gave me a historic journal fragment. Good. Still there is no sign of any help, so anyway we will go inside this activity and start collecting the rewards. Now this is the first box. I got this much things. Okay, second one, good. Third, this much. All of this. The last one which I am waiting for is this. The most important one is the first one, this one. What it will do, I will tell you. First let me check if I have any more requests for help. No, not yet. We need to wait for that, so I'm gonna pause. Let's go to items. What items do we have here normally? You see, I have 5 truce agreement for 24 hours and 3 truce agreement for 8 hours. This I will be using during this purge when it starts. So I'm going to pause the video for the minute. Let me get another help request, then we will continue. Okay guys, I have one more friend help request. Thank you Grammy. I'm gonna help, and now my tasks are complete. So you see, I reached this one, last one. When I open it, I get all of these. This first one is very important. I will tell you why. Let me go to my tavern again. Then this great general chest. Some of you people might have, some might not. This, you see, is the key to open this box. What we get fragments for generals from here. I will open, and I got Oleg of Novgorod. Okay, so this is the way in which you can complete all your tasks within a few minutes without hassle free. You don't need to kill monsters, don't need to kill troops, meaning monsters you will kill but not the big bosses. All of these things you can get within 10-15 minutes. All you need to do is to make it time. Train your troops in a way that they get trained just after this timer resets. Your resource collections, send them in a way that when they come back the resource timer is set, So all of these things, if you plan a little bit, it will fall in place and you will get these things within minutes. Okay guys, just a reminder, we have one day left for this purge. Before this KE begins, at least 8 to 12 hours before, bubble up for 3 days and be safe, huh? Okay guys, next time we will talk about items, or if you want some other topic, just tell me, huh? Bye.